How to reduce waste at home, 7 easy tips for sustainable living. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vertical. Okay, so today we're talking about saving the planet, which is kind of a big deal, you know? We're going to be diving into 7 super easy things you can start doing today, like right now, to reduce your waste at home. Whether you're like a total newbie to this whole sustainability thing or you're already basically a green living pro, I've got you covered. Let's get eco-friendly, fam. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vertical, your go-to channel for eco-friendly living tips. Today, we're talking about something super important, how to reduce waste at home. Whether you're just starting your sustainability journey or looking to take it to the next level, these 7 easy tips will help you minimize waste and live greener. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about plastic. Okay, so plastic is literally everywhere and it's kind of freaking me out. It's in our oceans, our cities, and even in the most remote places on Earth. Did you know that it takes 1,000,000 years for a single plastic bottle to decompose? Okay, maybe not 1,000,000, but it sure feels like it. I'm exaggerating, but seriously, it takes forever, up to 500 years. That's longer than most of us will ever live. That's just not cool. Imagine the world our kids and grandkids will inherit if we don't make a change. So what can we do about it? How can we make a difference in our daily lives? It's actually easier than you might think. Small changes can lead to big impacts. Instead of always reaching for a plastic water bottle, grab your trusty reusable one. It's a simple swap that can save a lot of waste, you know. The one you probably got for free at some point and forgot about, yeah, that one. Dust it off and put it to good use. And when you're out grocery shopping, remember to bring your reusable bags. It's a habit that can quickly become second nature. They're way cuter than those flimsy plastic ones anyway. Plus they're sturdier and can hold more items. I know it seems like a small thing, but trust me, these little swaps make a huge difference in the long run. Every bit counts. We're talking about saving hundreds, if not thousands, of plastic items from ending up in landfills and oceans every single year. Imagine the collective impact if we all did this. Think about it this way. Every time you choose reusable over disposable, you're basically giving a big middle finger to pollution. It's a powerful statement. And who doesn't love a good middle finger to pollution, am I right? Let's make this change together and create a cleaner, healthier planet for everyone. Okay, let's talk about food waste because honestly, it's a major buzzkill. We're literally throwing away perfectly good food while there are people in the world who don't have enough to eat. Not cool, guys, not cool, but here's the good news. Composting is here to save the day. It's like this magical process where you take all your food scraps, you know, like those banana peels you were just about to throw away, and turn them into nutrient-rich soil. It's like alchemy, but for your garden. And the best part is, it's so easy. A 5-year-old could do it. Okay, maybe not a 5-year-old, but you get the idea. You can literally just toss your food scraps into a compost bin and nature will do its thing. Plus composting helps reduce greenhouse gases. Yeah, you heard that right. When food decomposes in landfills, it releases methane, which is a super potent greenhouse gas. But when you compost, you're basically preventing that methane from ever being released. It's like you're a superhero saving the planet, one banana peel at a time. Know you've been a good friend. Okay, I have a confession to make. I used to be a paper towel addict. I would literally use them for everything. Spilled a little water, paper towel. Need to wipe down the counter, paper towel. Blowing my nose, you guessed it, paper towel. But then I realized how wasteful I was being. Those paper towels don't just magically disappear into thin air. They come from trees, and trees are kind of important, you know. They give us oxygen and stuff. So I made the switch to reusable cloths, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. They're just as absorbent as paper towels, but they're way more sustainable. Plus, they come in all sorts of cute colors and patterns, so you can totally match them to your kitchen decor. And here's a fun fact that will blow your mind. If every household in the US used just one less roll of paper towels per year, we could save over 1,000,000 trees. 1,000,000, that's insane. So ditch the paper towels and join the reusable cloth revolution. Your kitchen and the planet will thank you. Okay, let's talk about bulk buying because it's not just for crazy coupon ladies anymore. It's actually a super sustainable way to shop. Think about it, when you buy in bulk, you're reducing the amount of packaging waste. And less packaging waste means less stuff ending up in landfills. Plus, a lot of bulk stores let you bring your own containers, which is like the ultimate level of eco-friendliness. You can literally bring your own jars, bags, whatever, and fill them up with all the goodies. It's like a zero-waste dream come true. And don't even get me started on the money you'll save. Bulk buying is often way cheaper than buying those tiny, individually packaged items. So you'll be saving the planet and your wallet at the same time. It's a win-win situation, people. Chapter 5. Repair, don't replace. Channel your inner DIY queen or king. Okay, so we live in a society that's obsessed with new stuff. Like, we're constantly bombarded with ads telling us to buy the latest gadgets, clothes, and everything in between. But here's the thing. We don't always need to buy new stuff. Often we can just repair the things we already have. I know. Repairing things can seem kind of intimidating, especially if you're not exactly like a DIY expert. But trust me, it's not as hard as it looks. There are tons of tutorials online that can teach you how to fix practically anything. And the best part is, repairing things not only saves you money, but it also prevents perfectly good items from ending up in landfills. Plus, there's something so satisfying about fixing something yourself. It's like you're proving to the world and to yourself that you're not just a mindless consumer. You're a resourceful, independent badass who can totally handle their own repairs. Chapter 6. Fast fashion more like fast track to a landfill. Okay, let's talk about fast fashion because it's a problem. Like a big one. The fashion industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world, and fast fashion is a major culprit. Think about it. Fast fashion brands churn out new collections every few weeks, encouraging us to constantly buy new clothes. But these clothes are often cheaply made and fall apart after just a few washes, so we end up throwing them away and buying even more. It's a vicious cycle of waste. But there's good news. We don't have to support fast fashion. We can choose to buy less clothes and invest in higher quality pieces that will last longer. We can also shop secondhand, which is not only more sustainable, but also way more fun. Like, who doesn't love a good thrift store find? So next time you're tempted to buy that trendy top that you'll probably only wear once, take a step back and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I just being influenced by fast fashion marketing? Chances are, you already have a closet full of clothes you can wear. And if you really need something new, try hitting up your local thrift store or browsing online consignment shops. You might be surprised at what you find. Another great option is to mend or upcycle your existing clothes. A little creativity can go a long way in giving new life to old garments. You can also participate in clothing swaps with friends or community events. It's a fun way to refresh your wardrobe without spending a dime. Educating ourselves about the impact of our fashion choices is crucial. The more we know, the better decisions we can make. Making these changes not only helps the environment, but also makes us feel good about our choices. It's a win-win situation. So let's take a stand against fast fashion and make more sustainable choices. Our planet will thank us for it. Chapter 7. Energy efficiency. It's not just a buzzword, people. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about energy efficiency. Because saving energy isn't just good for the planet, it's also good for your wallet. Like, who doesn't love saving money? It's a win-win for everyone involved. And the best part is, there are so many easy ways to be more energy efficient at home, like switching to LED light bulbs. It's a simple change that can have a significant impact. I know it seems like a small thing, but those little bulbs can actually make a big difference. They use way less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, and they last way longer. So you'll be saving money on your energy bill and on replacement bulbs. It's a win-win situation, and while you're at it, why not unplug your electronics when you're not using them? It's a simple habit to form, like that phone charger that's always plugged in. Even when your phone is fully charged, yeah, that's sucking up energy even when it's not in use. It's a sneaky energy thief. It's called phantom energy, and it's kind of creepy, not gonna lie. So do yourself and the planet a favor and unplug your electronics when you're done with them. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Every little bit helps, and together we can make a huge impact. Outro, you got this, Eco Warriors, and there you have it. 7 super easy, totally doable things you can start doing today to reduce your waste and live a more sustainable life. Like, we don't have to be perfect, but we can all do our part to make a difference. So Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more eco-friendly tips and tricks. Now remember, every little bit counts. Together we can make a difference. Peace out, eco-warriors, and there you have it. 7 simple ways to reduce waste at home and live more sustainably. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more eco-friendly living tips from Vertical. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes can make a big impact. See you next time.